Okay guys, the $1,000,000 question. How to avoid corrosion in my boat? How to keep my boat clean with the minimum amount of corrosion if it's possible. Okay, today in 8 simple steps, I am going to give to you some recommendations, some tips to keep your boat clean, to keep your boat in good condition with no corrosion. Okay, the number one, of course, try to get the Marine Corrosion Handbook. This is the guide, this is the Bible, to understand the phenomenon of corrosion and to understand how to keep your boat in good condition with no corrosion. Okay, try to get the book in my website www.mrlopezclasses.com/books, and you can buy the book in PDF or in a paper form. Or you can enroll in the course at any moment, the course of marine corrosion in the same website. Okay, this is the number one. Number two, of course, is use marine grade alloys. Yeah, use marine grade alloys. We are going to follow this poster, the poster about the selection of marine grade alloys, naval alloys, ferrous alloys, and non-ferrous alloys. In that episode, I explain in details how to select the appropriate alloy according with the material of the boat and the type of water. Ferrous alloys and non-ferrous alloys. This is a great video, and also the poster is available in my website. Okay, select proper marine grade alloys, naval alloys. Never use regular industrial alloys because this is not for marine grade and you create a lot of problems. In that episode, I explain why. Okay, the next one. Keep the boat clean and dry. That's the secret. Keep the boat clean and dry. If you have a lot of humidity in the bilge, a lot of dirt in the boat, the phenomenon of corrosion is increased because you have dissimilar metals in contact with water, in contact with humidity, accelerate the phenomenon of corrosion. Okay, keep the boat clean and dry. Install a galvanic isolator. You remember that picture? In that picture, I explained where should be located the galvanic isolator. Of course, in that video, in that episode, I explained in details how to install the galvanic isolator, how to check the galvanic isolator. You remember that part of the episode where I explained how to use the multimeter in the function diodes to verify if the galvanic isolator is working properly. I explained also the difference between galvanic isolator and isolator transformer. They are completely different. In this particular case, I recommend install the galvanic isolator. This is the element used to avoid the intrusion of bad currents coming from the ground of the marina, the ground of the building. The galvanic isolator. Okay. Of course, create a good bonding system. Once again, check the picture. Okay, in that episode, I explained the procedure to create the bonding, the procedure to connect all the metallic elements together in the central bonding conductor, the procedure to connect the negative bus bar in the DC panel and the ground bus bar in the AC panel together with the bonding, and after that connect the bonding with the external sacrificial anode. Okay, this is a great video, great explanation about that procedure, the procedure to create the grounding system in your boat. Okay, and of course, select the proper sacrificial anode. Once again, we are going to follow that poster and the episode. In the episode, I recommend the sacrificial anodes according with the material of the hull, with the type of water. We are going to select the proper sacrificial anode. For example, if the boat is in fiberglass, what happens if it is with the salt water, with fresh water, with brackish water? What happens in aluminum boats? What happens in wood boats, in steel boats? What happens if it is inboard, outboard? All of those parameters are studied in that poster and in that episode. Okay, my friends, enter in my website, select the videos, select the books, select the posters, If you want a discount, of course, apply for the discount, and you have a 15 or 20% of discount. Check the website. Okay, the next one is verify no current leaks. Verify that you don't have leaks of current in your boat. Yes, we are going to use 3 methods. The volt method, the Ohm methods, current, and the last one is the resistance, the ohms method. 3 methods to verify that you don't have leaks. Remember that the enemy is the leaks and the humidity. Okay, if I have leaks of current, that extra current accelerates the corrosion in between the similar metals. Okay, that's the secret. We are going to follow 3 methods to analyze that we don't have leaks of current in the boat. Okay, perfect. And the next one, check minimum once per year the condition of your grounding system. How? With the silver chlorine electrode. In that episode, I explained the procedure to use the silver chlorine electrode in order to keep the boat in good condition. This is only to verify if the bonding system and grounding systems are working. If the reference, if the electrodes, the sacrificial anodes located outside are working properly. If the boat is proper protected. Okay, those are my recommendations. Follow the recommendations and try to keep your boat in good condition. If you have questions, write a comment in this video. I am happy creating new products, new material for you. If you enjoy this video, apply thanks. This is important for me in order to create more material for you. Thank you.